Hey, Jeff Keenan here. I just installed my first 100-watt solar panel, and it's connected to an EcoFlow in the basement. I'm gonna do some more videos on that later, but my internet is totally running off solar right now, and it's not even sunny out. But the other day, I went over to my friend Paul Barrons' house, Tinker Try, and looked at his sustainable smart home, and it's pretty amazing. I'm all about getting free juice. When I got over to Paul's house, he let me charge the Rivian on his Tesla V3 wall connector using my Electron J1772 adapter. So Paul's got an undisclosed number of Tesla Powerwalls in his garage. I've never seen so many though. Now Tesla's still installing the roof, but I got to look at some of the materials and the panels and what they have done so far, and it's pretty impressive. Paul has a bunch of smart home sustainable products in his house, including 2 heat pumps, a heat pump water heater, and this water shutoff valve. Now, he also has a span smart panel that lets you manage the load to your different circuits.
For the span panel. Now, without taking this plate off, you're not going to see too much, but it looks like a traditional breaker panel, and it's illuminated. What's special here is, well, for one, you can label your whole house in software and then print off the PDF yourself. But also, more important than all that is it won't go past 200 amps. So the town inspector can come and look, including the town of Weathersfield where I am, and know that this thing will never exceed 200 amps. So both cars can charge at 48, and they're up here. 60 amp breakers for both the cars, 2 wall connectors. And I tested it. Turned on the oven, charged both cars, turned on the dishwasher, turned on the stove, and what do you know, it started tripping the non-essential things like the dryer, clothes dryer.
Nice.
It works, automatic. So no software config needed to keep your house safe below 200 amps.
Awesome.
And my original panel was this tiny and had no room for heat pumps and all the other stuff we needed to do.
And it's a lot prettier.
And this, yeah, this sub panel is for solar. We just installed this today. Not much going on there yet. And then all the AC coming from the power walls of the garage is going to run into here with its own meter on the side of the house. Eversource eventually is going to go to a dual socket meter system, but instead they had to put 2 giant boxes in my house with a meter each. I guess the electricians from Tesla have been waiting a long time for Eversource to kind of get on that. And a whole lot of thick cabling. And then finally, this abbreviated torque, this cable here needs to be extra long, so my electrician knows Tesla well. He made it extra long and had an extra loop here like this, so that the Tesla guy didn't have to open up the span panel to redo his work. Nice little bit of forward thinking, having an electrician that knows what they're doing and how to coordinate with Tesla.
All right.
There you go. There's a sneak peek of Paul's sustainable smart home. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on Wi-Fi, tech products, and solar.